Okay, let's see. I can't play much worse, can I? Than the last few games. I had 1 or 2 games, but which were good. But okay. Yeah. Let's try for a classic game. Come on, felon. 2002. Does he play C3 or something? Okay. Go on to Sveshnikov, which I used to play quite a bit. How much theory does he know? Bishop d7 here. If knight b5, I think I'll just castle. F4 here. That gets him. Comes me just taking. I think taking and then f5. There's knight f6 if he wants it to win this. Could be a light square grip, but okay. If he moves it back, e4, knight e5. Okay, so e4 I'm threatening bishop b2. Okay, trying for a bit of counterplay. Now bishop b7 or knight d3 or something. Bishop e6 might be the classic. There's knight f4. Rook a7 could be handy. I'll throw it in here. F4 takes bishop g4. It's an emergent tactic. Anything wrong with f4? Can't see it. Oh, bishop e4, hang on, bishop e4. Dangerous, dangerous. Alright, there's bishop h8 for rook g7 potentially. Maybe that's playable. So I'm protecting. I can't get rook g7 in, that'd be a sort of attack. So I've still got bishop g4 on the cards. There's king h1, bishop g4, still good. Play bishop g4 here. Or I missed some horrible tactic. Should I have played rook g7? Because that would have ruled out queen h4. Maybe rook g7 was better. I can win the exchange now on rook g7. There's no knight f6. There's almost a knight f6. I'm not sure winning the exchange is a big deal. I'm not just getting rid of this light square bishop. Or playing knight f3 check. Or even bishop f3. Taking rook g3. Actually, so rook g7 takes, bishop takes rook g3. That looks good. I think I'll go for that. Mind you, f3. Why don't I just win the exchange first? To simplify that arrangement. There's queen e6 on the cards. So it takes on rook g3 on knight f6 if he wants to win the exchange back. No, he's not. He's not even threatening knight f6. Right, I'll take here. Oh, there's knight e6. Okay. Queen g5 here. Bishop h7. So he seems to have ample compensation here for the exchange. Knight g6 is knight e6. Whoa, these knights are huge. How did this happen? Okay, queen d7? I don't know. I don't know now. I'm confused. Knight f6 is a trap from rook g3. Maybe queen d7 is okay in the circumstance. Play queen g4, hitting d1, e4. Okay, he's gone for the trap. Okay, just queen g4 here. Queen, bishop d5, king g7. Now I'm going to get in trouble with knight f5 check. I think I should just move this bishop. Then I've checked king h8. The bishop's actually covering f8. Just about. So there are still problems here. Queen up. This is bishop and knight are dangerous on the light square still. Okay. Well, there's a check and then queen e3. Throwing the check. Queen e3 could be quite good. Queen e2, immediate threat. I think it could be all over soon. There's a queen d2 winning the bishop as well. Okay, tactical, but he seems to have compensation. I missed bishop e4. That could have been fatal. Why did I play f4? Ah, dear oh dear. I was thinking knight f. If I played bishop f4, knight f4, he's got queen f5. He's setting himself up for tempting me with f4. If I play something like h6 first, this might be good. This knight's kind of. He's got knight f4 coming up. Something like queen g5. And there's d6. And if I get these pawns up, that would have been good compensation. So I think h6 anyway might be a better move than what's played. Probably nearly anything's better than what was played. This e4. Although here it seems actually rook g7 is an interesting position, threatening bishop g4. Much more powerfully because of this pin. Although, no, it's supported by the knight, so there's no bishop h7 deflection, because the knight's supporting g4. As knight takes f4, maybe rook takes f4, bishop d5. That's still kind of dangerous looking, and rook f7. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.